guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple, everyday, easy makeup look that you guys can recreate using just drugstore products. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been constantly talking about my simple, everyday makeup look, so I thought I should show you guys what I do. This look is great for those of you that go to college or office, as it's super simple and the products I'm using are also super inexpensive. So the first thing I'm going to start with is primer. This is the Palladio Rice Primer. I'm just gonna apply this in my pore area. It mattifies my skin and it also makes my pores look smaller, and it just makes the skin super soft. Now I'm not going to be using a foundation because who has time for foundation every single day? I'm just going to go ahead and apply my concealer straight away, and I'm going to be using the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer. That's what it looks like, and I'm using the shade number 7. It has a super strong yellow undertone, so it really just brightens up my face. And I feel like with this concealer, you wanna blend it out as soon as you apply it because it's gonna set and then it becomes hard to move it around. So I'm just gonna start blending it as I apply it in sections. It just has really nice coverage, can you tell? Then I'm gonna apply this under my eye. So I'm basically keeping the coverage in the center of my face. Oh my god, look at how flawless this side looks. Also just taking whatever's left on my sponge over my nose. I'm gonna set all of this in place using the Fit Me Loose powder from Maybelline. Now I want to set the rest of my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder again, and this is in the shade 220. I'm just going to take it on this PAC 335 brush and apply it all over my face. This does have a little bit of coverage as well, so it just adds to the whole appearance. Don't lick my face, I have a lot of powder on my face. Bye! Oh, you're sleepy, aren't you? Who are you looking at? Do you want to look at yourself? Does Baby look nice? Do you look nice? You're the cutest. Of course you do. You're the cutest little baby. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the new Nykaa Brow Girl Brow Definer Pencil. So the brows are done. I think they look really nice. This pencil is super easy to use because of this angled tip. You can easily just draw your hair and create the shape that you want. I'm so happy with these brows. They look really nice. I know lots of us in India love to wear Kajal, so I am going to wear a little Kajal today. This is the Revolution Pro eye pencil, I think this is called, but this is a 0.5 mm kind of pencil, so the tip is really fine and precise. You can easily draw on your upper lid as well to get a really nice fine precise line, or you can just apply it in your inner rim, but make sure you only twist up as much product as you need, because once you twist it up you cannot twist it back inside. You want to say hello as well? This one is a little heavier and he's also older than Bebo, but yeah, he's the loveliest. Aren't you, baby? Aren't you? Aren't you? Okay, bye! Look at the little paws. He's the cutest thing ever. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. You can apply as much as you like or as little as you like. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes now using the NYX eyelash curlers. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is an amazing drugstore mascara. So many people ask me if I'm wearing lash extensions when I'm wearing this mascara because this is just so good. Look at the difference, you guys. Always curl your lashes before you apply mascara. It just makes the world of a difference. And you always want to come from the top first. Just coat your top lashes. And then you want to wiggle your brush from the bottom. You always want to close your eyes on your mascara and just push these ones outside. The middle ones go straight up and the inner ones go inside like that, and that gives you like a full fan effect. I mean, the difference speaks for itself. This one has no mascara and here my lashes are curled, and this is just one coat of this mascara. Now for bronzer and highlighter and blush, I'm only going to be using this one palette from Sugar. This is so good. The powders are super soft. The highlighter is beautiful. The blush is beautiful. The shade of the bronzer is also really nice. And I'm using that with the Nykaa blush brush. So I'm just going to take the bronzer now and just start bronzing my cheeks. I'm not contouring hardcore or doing too much bronzing as well because I just want to add some definition onto my face so it doesn't look flat. To contour my nose, I'm going to take the PAC 103 brush. Just going to apply some under my lip as well. It makes the lips look fuller. For blush, I'm taking the Nykaa powder brush and I'm going into this pinky lovely blush right here. I'm just applying it on my cheeks. Look at that lovely pinky glow. It's so cute and it's not completely flat. It has like a satiny kind of glow to it. I really like it. This palette is amazing. Plus it comes in 2 shades. So there's one available for deeper skin tones as well, which is great. You see that lovely glow? That's just from the blush. I'm not even using any highlight like up until now. I am going to use highlight, but you see that lovely glow is just from the blush. For my highlighter, I'm going to take the PAC 045 brush and I'm just going to take the highlighter in this palette and apply that right on top of my cheeks. It's a beautiful highlighter. It does not look glittery or does not have any chunky glitter. Super smooth and nice. Also going to apply some on my forehead just to make it look super glowy from all angles. To apply highlighter under my brows, I'm going to take the PAC 091 brush and just packing that a little bit under my brows. And to apply it in my inner corner, I'm using the PAC 110 brush. Okay, now for lipstick, I'm going to use one of my favorite lip liners. This is the PAC Colourlock lip liner in the shade So Spicy. I only have this much left because I've used all of it. So let's line the lips. And for lipstick, I want to do something fun, girly and pinky. So I'm going to take the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Audrey and just apply that. To set everything in place, I'm going to be using the PAC Fixation Prep and Prime Setting Spray. So this is it for this makeup look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and learned something new. My doggies are making a lot of noise. I should give them something to eat and give myself something to eat as well because I'm super hungry. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't feel like you need to spend a bomb to achieve a beautiful makeup look because this probably was one of the cheapest makeup looks that I've ever done and I'm really happy with the result. I would definitely wear this on an everyday basis. This is pretty much my everyday makeup look. Don't forget to check out my Instagram because I do post videos there. I just posted a really pretty corally makeup look on IGTV, so definitely check that out. I have lots of different content there, outfits, fashion posts, makeup looks, IGTV videos, lots of fun stuff. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.